What are you up to, Liam?
Alright, gonna drop these here.
Yeah, I've heard about them. These cyclists, they're always saying how efficient being clipped in is.
Yeah. I'm not gonna use two wheels, so just...
Yeah, get clipped in on a unicycle, why not?
I should have bought my Speedos.
Getting clipped in, Liam.
Getting clipped in, you're right.
Is that the right one or the
Left.
Get your foot in it again. That's it. Get clipped in. Joe's just laughing.
Right. Now we've figured it out.
Hang on a minute.
We're in. I'm in on one.
You clipped in.
Yeah, on one.
Clipped in on a unicycle. Can you get out of it alright?
Yeah.
You can get out alright?
Yes.
Yeah.
Clipped in.
He's going down. Is it easier doing that?
Yeah. It's just a case to get pedal back in now.
On the right side as well. I think you... Yes.
Clipped in pedalling on uni.
Try an emergency unclip on grass. You get out alright?
Yeah. Because one of them were a bit... wouldn't actually be that bad.
What's your conclusion on clipless pedals then?
It's a doddle, man. I don't see why they all do it. I mean, they wear silly trousers just to buy stupid shoes, to buy expensive pedals. No point, man. No point at all.